The bristle worm is rarely admired, often feared, frequently misunderstood. It slips through cracks in coral, hides beneath rocks, and moves across the seafloor mostly unseen. For many divers and beachgoers, it is something to avoid rather than understand. And yet, the bristle worm is one of the most successful and enduring life forms in the ocean. Bristle worms are polychaete worms, members of a vast and ancient group of marine invertebrates that appeared more than 500 million years ago. They emerged long before fish developed jaws, before reefs took their modern form, before complex predators ruled the seas. While countless species vanished, bristle worms endured by diversifying. There are thousands of bristle worm species, ranging from a few millimeters to over 3 meters in length. Some are brightly colored, others nearly transparent. Some live buried in sediment, others roam reefs openly. What unites them is structure. Their bodies are segmented, flexible, and lined with bristles known as chaetae. These bristles are not decoration. They are tools. Each one is stiff, sharp, and often hollow. In many species, the bristles are tipped with toxins or irritants capable of deterring predators instantly. Touch a bristle worm carelessly, and the bristles embed themselves in skin, causing pain, swelling, and inflammation. This is not an attack. It is defense by contact. Movement in bristle worms is fluid and efficient. Muscles contract in waves along the segmented body, allowing them to crawl, burrow, or swim depending on species. The bristles provide traction, anchoring the worm against currents and predators alike. Their sensory system is simple but effective. Chemoreceptors detect food and danger. Light-sensitive cells register changes in brightness. Vibrations travel through water and sediment, alerting the worm to nearby movement. Feeding behavior varies widely. Many bristle worms are scavengers, consuming decaying organic matter that settles on the seafloor. Others are active predators, using jaws or proboscises to seize smaller animals. Some filter feed, capturing particles suspended in water. This dietary flexibility allows bristle worms to thrive in almost every marine environment. Coral reefs, sandy beaches, mudflats, hydrothermal vents, and deep-sea plains all host their presence. Few marine animals are as adaptable. Predators include fish, crabs, octopuses, and birds. Yet bristle worm populations remain stable because of their defenses and reproductive capacity. The bristles discourage casual predation. Regeneration allows survival after injury. Numbers ensure continuity. Reproduction in bristle worms is as diverse as their habitats. Many species reproduce sexually, releasing eggs and sperm into the water during synchronized spawning events. Others reproduce asexually through fragmentation. A severed section can regenerate into a complete worm. Some species undergo dramatic transformations during reproduction, developing enlarged eyes or swimming appendages to participate in mating swarms. After spawning, these individuals often die, having completed their role. Ecologically, bristle worms are essential. By feeding on detritus, they recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. By burrowing, they aerate sediment, improving oxygen flow and microbial activity. They form a critical link between decomposing matter and higher trophic levels. In reef systems, bristle worms help keep environments clean by removing waste and dead tissue. In sedimentary habitats, they prevent compaction and stagnation. Their absence would be felt quickly, even if not immediately seen. Human interaction with bristle worms is usually accidental. Divers brush against them, fishermen encounter them in nets. Aquarists discover them unexpectedly in tanks. While some species can cause painful stings, serious harm is rare. Despite their reputation, bristle worms are not aggressive. They do not chase. They do not hunt humans. They exist to feed, reproduce, and persist. What makes the bristle worm remarkable is not any single trait, but the combination. Armor without rigidity, defense without attack, adaptability without intelligence in the traditional sense. Evolution did not make them impressive to look at. It made them impossible to remove. They have survived extinction events, climate shifts, and ocean chemistry changes that erased entire lineages. They remain because they fit perfectly. The bristle worm matters because ecosystems rely on organisms that process waste, recycle nutrients, and stabilize habitats. Without them, the ocean floor would clog with decay. Life above would suffer. In the shadows of reefs and beneath layers of sand, bristle worms continue their work. Silent, armored, essential, not heroes, not villains, but survivors.